What if it were possible to earn money while you slept? Real, workable systems that automatically increase your wealth are what I mean, not some crazy get-rich-quick scheme. Imagine waking up the next day with the knowledge that, despite your dreams, your money was working. We'll show you how to set this up for yourself in this video. Greetings from Monetive. Today you will discover tried and true methods that enable your money to grow on its own. Our objective is to demonstrate to you how to gradually and safely increase your financial security with minimal daily work. You just need to learn two basic concepts to make your money work for you. The first is automation, where a system is configured once and operates autonomously. Diversification, which is simply a fancy word for not putting all your eggs in one basket, comes in second. Combining these two creates a solid foundation that increases your wealth even while you're asleep. Let's now examine 4 basic systems that you can begin using. System 1 is the set and forget saver, high-yield savings accounts. Let's begin with the simplest and most secure method, a high-yield savings account. Consider it a savings account with superpowers. In addition to paying you far more interest than a typical bank account, it is totally safe. Setting up an automatic transfer from your primary bank account is all that is required. After you do that, your money grows all by itself, silently in the background. System 2 is the silent partner, dividend investing. Let's now introduce dividend investing, your new silent business partner. Some solid, reliable companies share their profits with you when you purchase shares. We refer to these payments as dividends. The best part is that you can configure these payments to automatically purchase additional shares on your behalf. This implies that your investment increases steadily over time without requiring any effort on your part. System 3 is the autopilot investor, index funds and robo-advisors. Meet index funds and robo-advisors for the best autopilot experience. An index fund allows you to own a small portion of the entire stock market all at once rather than selecting individual stocks. It's similar to diversifying your finances right away. In that case, a robo-advisor functions similarly to a robot that handles everything for you. The system handles all of the investing, balancing, and growth for you. You only need to set up automatic deposits. System 4 is the hands-off landlord, REITs, real estate investment trusts. Lastly, use REITs to become a landlord without having to do any work. An organization that owns and operates real estate, such as apartments or shopping centers, is known as a REIT. You acquire a tiny portion of the property when you invest in a REIT. And by law, they have to pay you a share of the rent they collect. It's a simple way to earn passive income from real estate without ever dealing with a tenant or a leaky faucet. Don't let this overwhelm you. 3 easy steps will get you started on the path to automatic income. Choose one first. Simply select the system that you found most convenient. Secondly, conduct some research. Take some time to become familiar with the fundamentals of the system you have selected. Third, begin modestly. Create an account and deposit a small amount for the first time. The objective is to develop a habit that will increase your wealth over time, not to become wealthy overnight. Therefore, it doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming to build wealth. With these automatic money systems, you can build a secure financial future slowly and safely. And as the saying goes, the best time to start was yesterday. If you found this video useful, then please like it. It helps the channel loads. Subscribe it to Monetive and enable notifications so that you don't miss our next easy guide to managing money. Now let's have a chat. Of these 4 systems, which one are you going to check out first? Let me know in the comments below.